Today's gate day. Going to be making a gate. Here's my hinges. Can you see? Look at that. And this gate's going to be for the garden. Not going to be a real crazy type design, and I don't think it's going to take very long to make. Pretty much just like this. Piece going up and down, piece going across, support piece in the middle, and hinge. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to start cutting some pieces, and we'll start laying them out on the floor, cutting across members, and start drilling holes and screwing them together. Got a couple things I need to finish up on the gate, and we're going to go down and install it. So after I got the gate together, this is going to be the front side, the side that stays out towards the outside of the garden. Okay, so I had to put the hinges on this side, but because I'm using these types of carriage bolts, I had to push it in this way, and I really don't want this showing out this way. I want it on the inside. So what I did was I bought some bolts. They're too long. I'm just going to cut them, but I'm just going to take these out, put them in, and screw them in. Yeah, look how long that is. Whack. Bink. gate's in, it looks funky. But the gate's level. What do I mean by that? That gate's level. I checked it. We actually went up a little bit because I have a feeling it's going to sag, so I gave it a little bit of rise, but not much. The reason it looks funky is this. See that? So when we put this in, one thing I wasn't thinking about was putting in a gate. And in doing that, the two things you want to make sure is, one, this pole and this pole should be at the same height or maybe a little taller. And make sure it's a lot straighter than what it is. So when I measured it and made the gate so it would fit the bottom gap. And I knew it would be a little open in the top. That's fine. I don't have a latch, but I think I'll attach a latch here. One of those that when you close it, it automatically latches. I got to see where I can find it. But for now, I'm just going to run a piece of wire around, and it's just going to loop on the top of here and hold it in place. That should be fine for now. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.